Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when your earbuds Cellularline FLICK keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. Then open it and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. We can check it in the settings if you want to. We have connection. Sometimes it happened with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically, so then enter to the Bluetooth and tap at your earbuds at the device list. Next, if the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to locate touch area at your right earbud, or locate it at the back side, right here at the top. And you need to press 6 times at this touch area, until you will see the red LED light. If you not see this LED light, meaning that you need to press 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we have the red LED light? No. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Now we have the red LED light. After that, we need to reconnect these earbuds with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now put your earbuds to the charging case. Okay, close the case, and now we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click forget this device button, or forget device, or unpair, or maybe remove, and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or maybe turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a button refresh, tap at this button. Now, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. And these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. We know it by the LED light, flashing red and blue. And we should see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and we just reconnect them. Now check, is your problem fixed? If it doesn't, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone. Then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS. So maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general line. Scroll down, and at the bottom you will find the line Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So let me click on it, write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Scroll down, click at the reset options. Right here, you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.